Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Activity app and granting motion and fitness access so steps and calories register. Tap through the initial prompts and choose Sensible Move Calories, Exercise Minutes, and Stand Hours. These are your baseline targets. If you have an Apple Watch, pair it now so Ring data syncs automatically. If not, the iPhone uses its sensors. Once done, make sure health syncing is enabled so workouts and steps right back to health. For consistent tracking across the Apple, now focus on generating Ring progress. Start a timed workout in the Workout app or let the phone auto-detect activity so active calories accumulate toward your Move Ring. Aim to hit 30+ exercise minutes and stand at least once each hour. The app counts any movement that raises your heart rate. Once you finish, the data updates the activity rings and the health app. Make sure to adjust workout types for accurate calorie burn and use Do Not Disturb to prevent interruptions during sessions. Finish by reviewing your daily and weekly activity summaries to see patterns and adjust goals as you get fitter. If a workout or steps are missing, manually add or edit entries in the Activity or Health app so totals remain accurate. If syncing problems occur, first toggle motion and fitness permissions, then restart the iPhone, and if needed, repair the Apple Watch. If heart rate or calories look off, confirm correct wrist placement and that the Watch OS and iPhone are up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.